Well, how come surfers have got this universal air of just being trendy, fashionable, cool?
I've been trying to find that. I've not found
I
that
wonder
yet.
because it kind of ties in with sort of the hippie culture as well, you know, like the Volkswagen camper vans and just colourful things, and being a beach bum. You know,
I don't know.
not
I think
having a
it's
job.
it's lifestyle. If you go to the surf stores, there you're being sold that lifestyle. Yeah, surfing and the freedom and the cool image it's got with it. But even though you're totally right. You
Just
go
the
to
adventure of surfing,
Yeah, I
like, you
think
know, if
so.
you go on a surf trip up to Thurso or
Carefree.
whatnot, you're going up camping, you get a
Yeah.
campfire, you get some beers, you have a barbecue with your friends, and you surf waves, and it's just you forget about the troubles of day-to-day life.
It makes sense. It makes sense. But other occupations don't have that sort of air of always been cool. It's always been cool to surf for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know. I think sometimes we've got a bad reputation of not taking things seriously enough. You know, surfing is going with the conditions. Looking out the window just now, it's going with tides, swell, and almost once you get into surfing, not compulsive or not obsessive. Yeah, probably
And
quite close.
that's what I thought in 2006 when I started surfing. This is something that I'm going to tell this to a lot of women, you know, and hopefully this will see me through my adolescence. You know, it didn't, but
It didn't,
you
no.
know, just for anyone that's
Hot
thinking
water
of
now,
taking
boys.
up surfing purely just to get girls.
Yeah. But it doesn't work.
No, not for me.
No.